Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your English copy and today I am going to teach you about phonograms which we have already discussed in our previous video. And today's phonogram is cheer words. Here is given some cheer words. Children, when we write CH, they combine together and gives a new sound, and this sound is called cheer. And here are given some cheer words. Now let's read with me. RICH rich, MUCH much, SUCH such, MATCH match, CATCH catch, CHOP chop, CHIP chip, CHAT chat, CHIN chin, CHEW chew, CHEW chew. Now read it again. CATCH catch, CHOP chop, CHIP chip, CHAT chat, CHIN chin, CHEW chew. I hope children you will understand about cheer words. So you will do this work at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.